Picture this. A solo traveler wants to join your trip, but every room option is built for two. So they either pay full price for a room they don't need to fill, or they give up and book somewhere else. WP Travel Engine's new shared room booking feature solves exactly that. In this video, I'll show you how to enable shared room bookings. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the accommodation add-on installed and activated. If you haven't set that up yet, check out our full accommodation setup tutorial linked in the description. This video picks up from there. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to WP Travel Engine, then Settings, then Extensions, and click on Accommodation. Look for the pricing format field. Make sure Per Traveler is selected. If it's set to per room, the shared booking option won't appear at all. Just below the pricing format field, you'll see the Allow Shared Room Bookings toggle. Go ahead and turn that on. This is the global switch. It doesn't automatically apply shared bookings to every room, it just makes the option available. You still control which specific room types allow sharing, and we'll get to that in a moment. Once the toggle is on, a shared occupancy notice field appears below it. This is the message travelers see during booking when their group size doesn't fill the entire room. Write something short and clear here. Now, scroll down to the Room Types table. For each room type where you want to allow shared bookings, click the Details button on the right side of that row to expand it. Inside the expanded panel, you'll see a checkbox labeled Allow Shared Room Bookings. Check that box for any room type you want to make available for shared occupancy. Leave it unchecked for rooms you want to keep as full room bookings only. Once you've checked it for the relevant rooms, click Save Settings. Keep in mind, this only sets up sharing globally. You still need to go into each individual trip and set the price for these room types, which we've already covered in the accommodation tutorial. Without a price set at the trip level, the room won't be ready for booking. Now, let's see how this looks for your travelers. Open a trip that has one of your shared room types enabled, select a date and the number of travelers, and continue to the accommodation step. Say there are 3 travelers on this booking. They select the standard room with 2 travelers, which fills the room completely. For the remaining traveler, they select the deluxe room with 1 traveler. Since that room holds 3, this leaves spots open. The shared badge appears next to it, and the shared occupancy notice you wrote earlier shows up at the top of the step. The booking summary on the right updates in real time to match, showing the shared tag and the price based on the spots booked, not the full room rate. And that's it. Shared room bookings give your solo and small group travelers a fair pricing option without any extra admin work on your end. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below, we're always happy to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.